Chinese Pinyin Consonants Lesson 6. Welcome back to this video tutorial. In our previous lesson, we started with the consonants and learned how to pronounce the first 8. Today, we are going through the other consonants, especially with those which pronounce differently. First, let's have the easiest ones. Ge, ge, song or melody. Kan, kan, to look. Ren, ren, person or people. Zuo, zuo, to make or to do. San, san, the number 3. Yong, yong, to use. Wan, wan, to play or to enjoy. Now, we are going to compare between two similar sound letters. J versus ZH. Those two sounds very close. However, the J is followed by the vowel I most of the time, and it has a soft sound of J, like the J in jeans. The ZH is very similar to J, but it has a hard sound of J, like the J sound in jerky or usual. Ji, ji, jiu, jiu, zhi, zhi, zhan, zhan. CH versus Q. Those two sounds very close too. The Q has the soft sound of CH and followed also by the vowel I, like the word cheese in English, whereas CH has the hard sound like chat. Chi, chi, che, che, qi, qi, qian, qian. SH versus X. The X is the SH sound for soft vowel combination, like the word she, and SH for the hard sound in the word shadow. Shi, shi, sha, sha, xi, xi, xian, xian. The C initial is simply a TS sound you hear in the English words cats or Watson. In English, the TS always appears in the middle or at the end of words, whereas in Chinese, it appears in the beginning, like ci, ci, times. Finally, the H sound. We haven't mentioned it among the red colors or the different sound, since some people's mother tongues refer to English H, whereas others refer to Spanish J, like Hussein, or German Bach, or Arabic Ha. Hai, hai, he, he. Okay, that's all for today and see you in the next episode. Bye.